Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Moonfire. It's so good to be back with you all again. You all are my audience. And this is a box. But shh, gotta be quiet. Mrs. Moonfire is lurking around here somewhere, and I'm not allowed to be doing these little unboxing things, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So shh, don't let her know. Alright, I guess for the first thing that we gotta do for an unboxing, of course, is open a box. So, look at all this tape, man. Yeah, that's not loud. No! That won't alert people to what I'm doing at all. Stupid boxes. This is a craft channel thing, so I'm hoping that this is like, you know, craft stuff and not like bad stuff. I guess we'll find out. Good Lord, together. There, okay. This comes to us from Red Apron Vintage. Deb, you're so cool. Which also tells me it's going to be craft stuff and not, you know, bad stuff. So, here we go. Okay, what is this? Love Lucy. Angel Reflectors. Whatever, I don't know what that means. Oh my god, we're already starting off with, I don't know. There's a piece thingy. And then there's like a little brush attached to beads with a little clippy thing. So sorry we are late. Alright, then we got all these packing peanuts and stuff. So, we'll try to keep them in the box. Shh, shh, shh. Did you hear that? I bet it was Mrs. Moonfire. Shh. One of you's being too loud. Don't alert her. Oh, what is this? Shot glasses? Keep this ticket. Okay, what is this? Is this a dog or... Oh, hey, okay, turn it right side up. Okay, look, it's an owl. Whoo, whoo. Neat. Alright, we're going to set that there. Going to move this. I think there's something else in here. Yep, okay. Shit, well, I mean, sorry. Hoopa. I got funny little packing peanuts going everywhere. Alright. Get back under control here. Push all the little... Ooh, yeah. So satisfying. Love it. Alright. Tear into this. It's like getting a present, but this present isn't for me. What is this one? It's upside down. That's another owl. See? Ooh. Alright, I think that's everything in this. Let me check. Not the best way to check by crushing everything inside the box, but whatever. No one said I was good at this. Alright. And that's it for the box. Okay, so we got this thing. I don't know what this thing is. So let's find out. Sorry, Mrs. Moonfire could be anywhere. And this time she just needs to butt out. This is my stage today. Okay. Oh shit. I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, Hoopa. Okay. So this is a brushy thing. I don't have any idea what that does. So okay, cool. Peace flower thingy for doves and stuff. You know, goes under their butts. All right, that's cool. Okay, let's see what this is. This is an empty card. It's got a bird on it. That's neat. Let's go with that over there. This is an envelope. Oh, that's an envelope for the bird card. Put that over there too. What is this? Check that out. Okay, that's pretty neat. That's just, you know, an empty card. Alright, and there's the envelope for the card. Anything in it? Money? No? Okay, whatever. Alright. And then I got a pocket with some egg stickers. Which one of you all figured out. How does a damn bunny lay these things when it gives birth? I don't know. That's really cool. I like this little packety thingy. Thanks, Deb. Okay. Alright, so what do we got here? We got a couple owl candles. That's pretty cool. Mr. and Mrs. What's going on? What? Oh, boom, bada, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, bada, boom, ba, boom, boom. It's a mating dance. Uh-oh. Boom, psh, boom, boom, psh, boom, bada, boom, 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 boom. Bonk, bonk. What the hell did you guys do? Oh, don't let your owl candles have mating dances. You get little candles. Ooh. We're done here. We're done. That ain't right. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm pretty sure I hear Mrs. Moonfire coming, and she's probably going to kick my ass for that one. So, what does she say? Happy crafting, craft happy. I don't. Be well, be wonderful, be awesome. Don't be great, be amazing. Bye.